Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and a very warm welcome to the Trade Gate Dubai. This is Trade Gate. You can see what we have in it: trade, train, and invest combined together, creating a co-active business hub. But how it started?
I think most of you might know me. The people who don't know me, started my journey like 20 years ago from UK and experimented in 20 years, like more than 120 different businesses I tried. And 20 years later now I have more than, or exactly 92 different projects, 48 of which are joint ventures with some big companies.
My name is Asif and I'm basically a supply chain and project management entrepreneur with 20 plus years of experience. I have worked with United Nations and beside other large-scale logistics organizations. And today I'm standing here in front of you as AVP Trade Gate Global.
I am Shakeel Ahmad Meer, first owner of my Trade Gate Dubai franchises. So what I learned here, first of all, I didn't learn here how to make money. I already knew that, that's why I'm here in Dubai. I don't have to tell you how to make money, how to do this, how to do that. The first thing I learned here is how to be bold and how to have your strong vision of yourself.